Voyageur Pharmaceuticals competes in a small sandbox with $4 billion multinationals that control this space. They all make iodine contrast media, except for one of them makes iodine contrast media and barium contrast media. They have to source their pharmaceutical-grade iodine and barium through third-party broken supply chains currently. Where Voyageur fits into this puzzle is that we're the only company in the space that owns and controls these mineral resources with proprietary technology to bring them from the earth to the bottle. The commercialization of Voyageur's barium contrast portfolio entering the Canadian market in August of 2025 is a significant milestone for Voyageur. Not only does it showcase clinical acceptance among diagnostic imaging clinics and healthcare authorities here in Canada, it's allowed us to pursue the FDA 505(b)(2) pathway, which we're striving for approval by Q2 2027. Outside of that, Voyageur needs to obtain these economics from the Canadian market, but also at the same time, grow our distribution network internationally. This allows us to be able to have a full network available for when we turnkey on our facility to have $122 million in revenue from our barium contrast sales alone. Outside of this, the main point why this matters today is that with this economic data and this revenue generation data from barium contrast sales, it allows us to complete our pre-feasibility and our final feasibility on the full barium contrast project that involves showcasing the purity of the Francis Creek resource and how that purity translates to extensive revenues when placed in barium contrast media. Voyageur's partnership with FLIR is a massive stamp of validation for all Voyageur iodine projects. Not only is FLIR working parallel with Bayer for Voyageur to complete the iodine prill project, but FLIR will also be writing the final feasibility for Voyageur's pharmaceutical manufacturing facility. FLIR does not just engage with any company, so to see them take recognition in our technology and the problems we're solving for a small cap company speaks volumes itself. Voyageur is closing out 2026 by completing our pre and final feasibility for our barium contrast media project. We are currently engaged with FLIR, who's working on the final feasibility for the Bayer iodine prill project. From there, Voyageur on our side for iodine drugs will be filing our patent for our streamlined iodine contrast media manufacturing process, which to follow will be an internal feasibility to showcase the economics of the streamlined iodine process proprietary to Voyageur. The next 6 months for Voyageur is going to be truly transformational. We are asking investors to sink their teeth into the upcoming milestones released to market and to understand that Voyageur is a company that's leaving the idea phase and turning a quick corner to commercialization. We are building the only vertically integrated barium and iodine contrast media manufacturing facility here in North America.